Have you ever wondered if signing up for a credit building program like Borrowell Credit Builder means you'll get a chunk of cash right away? It's a common question, especially for those looking to improve their financial standing. We often associate loans with immediate funds, so it's natural to think a credit builder might work the same way. But the truth is, a credit builder program serves a very different purpose than a traditional personal loan, and understanding that difference is key to knowing what to expect. But here's the crucial point, and the one that often confuses people: a credit builder is not designed to give you cash up front. It's not a quick fix for immediate financial needs. Instead, it's a strategic tool designed to help you build or rebuild your credit history. Think of it like a carefully structured savings plan that also happens to boost your credit score. So, how does it actually work then, if you're not getting cash? Let's break it down. With Borrowell Credit Builder, you essentially take out a small, secured loan. The secured part is important here. Unlike a traditional personal loan where you receive the money directly, with a credit builder loan, the loan amount is held in a locked, interest-bearing savings account. You don't have access to this money during the loan term. Instead, you make regular, fixed monthly payments to Borrowell for a set period, typically around 36 months. A portion of each payment goes towards a subscription fee for the program, and the rest is held in that secured account. These payments are diligently reported to Equifax, one of Canada's major credit bureaus. Every on-time payment you make adds a positive mark to your credit history, demonstrating your reliability as a borrower. This consistent positive reporting is the real magic of a credit builder program. Consider the 5 key factors that influence your credit score: payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, credit mix, and new credit inquiries. Borrowell Credit Builder primarily impacts 2 of these in a significant way. First, and most importantly, payment history. This accounts for a whopping 35% of your FICO score. By making consistent, on-time payments to your Borrowell Credit Builder account, you are building a strong track record of responsible financial behavior. This shows lenders that you can manage your obligations, which is a major green flag for them. Second, credit mix. This accounts for about 10% of your FICO score. A credit builder loan is an installment loan, meaning you pay a fixed amount over a set period. Having a diverse mix of credit types on your report, like a credit card, revolving credit, and an installment loan, can signal to lenders that you're capable of managing different forms of credit responsibly. If your credit profile currently consists only of, say, a single credit card, adding an installment loan through Borrowell Credit Builder can broaden your credit mix, potentially giving your score another nudge in the right direction. Now, let's address the elephant in the room again: the cash. You might be thinking, but I need money now. If you're looking for immediate funds for an unexpected expense, a large purchase, or debt consolidation, a traditional personal loan or a line of credit would be the appropriate financial product to explore. These loans are designed to provide you with a lump sum of money up front, which you then repay with interest over time. A credit builder loan, however, operates on the inverse principle. You pay first and receive later. At the end of the loan term, once you've successfully made all your payments, the money that was held in that secured savings account, minus any applicable fees, is returned to you. This means you end up with a lump sum of savings that you've essentially built up over the program's duration, all while simultaneously improving your credit score. It's like a forced savings plan with a credit-boosting bonus. So, while you don't get immediate cash when you sign up for Borrowell Credit Builder, you do get something arguably more valuable in the long run: a stronger credit profile and a new habit of consistent saving. The money you contribute is not lost, it's simply held and returned to you at the end of the program, acting as a form of collateral for the loan and a safety net for Borrowell. Let's consider a practical example. Imagine you sign up for a Borrowell Credit Builder plan where you pay $30 a month. For the first 24 months, a portion of that, say $14, might go towards a subscription fee, and $16 is held in your secured savings. For the remaining 12 months, the entire $30 might be held. At the end of 36 months, you would receive back the accumulated savings, which in this hypothetical example, could be around $640. This isn't a small amount, and it's money you've built up without feeling the immediate pinch of setting it aside, as it was integrated into your credit building payments. This delayed access to funds is precisely what makes credit builder loans a low-risk option for lenders. Because the loan amount is secured by your own money, there's less risk for them, which is why they are often more accessible to individuals with little to no credit history or those with poor credit scores who might not qualify for traditional loans. Many credit builder programs, including Borrowell's, don't even require a hard credit check to get started, making them a very approachable entry point into building credit. Who then is Borrowell Credit Builder for? It's ideal for newcomers to Canada. If you've recently moved to Canada, you likely have no Canadian credit history, regardless of your financial standing in your home country. A credit builder program is an excellent way to establish a positive credit file from scratch. Young adults starting their financial journey, for those just entering the world of credit, a credit builder can provide a structured way to build a solid foundation without taking on high-interest debt. Individuals with poor or no credit history, if you've had past financial difficulties that have impacted your credit score, or if you simply haven't used credit much, Borrowell Credit Builder offers a clear path to demonstrating responsible financial behavior and improving your score. Anyone looking to diversify their credit mix, even if you have some credit, adding an installment loan can positively impact your credit mix. It's important to have realistic expectations. While Borrowell Credit Builder can significantly improve your credit score, it's not an overnight miracle. Building good credit takes time and consistent effort. Your credit score will gradually improve as your on-time payments are reported to the credit bureau. The exact improvement will depend on your starting point and other factors in your financial life. In summary, when you sign up for Borrowell Credit Builder, you are not immediately getting cash in hand. What you are getting is a powerful tool to build or rebuild your credit history through consistent, on-time payments, with the added benefit of receiving your accumulated savings at the end of the program. It's an investment in your financial future, paving the way for better access to credit and more favorable interest rates down the line. If immediate cash is your primary need, a traditional personal loan is what you should be looking for. But if you're playing the long game and want to establish a strong credit foundation, Borrowell Credit Builder can be an invaluable asset. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.